Hi, this is day 2 of me posting a video every day for the next 30 days. This will be a quick video. I wanted to make a video about so much content being out there and that is all there for you to consume. Now, I've been running into a problem where I have a lot of hard time focusing on one particular task at hand, and I'll usually be in the middle of task and I'll switch to Medium to read article about something or switch to Reddit to read few subreddits here and there. Now that has been very distracting and I wanted to break that pattern, and this is how I was able to do so. So the first thing I did was I cleared my email inbox. I unsubscribed to the newsletter that I don't read anymore. So that was the first step. I ended up unsubscribing to pretty much all the newsletters that I've subscribed to. I unsubscribed to all the YouTube channels that I don't use. And I went a step ahead. On YouTube, I use an extension called Unhook that will basically keep my YouTube homepage blank. So I will only search for the videos that I want to see. The third thing that I'm doing right now is I have scheduled a time during the day where I do not touch my phone. So usually, let's say 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning, I'll not look at my phone. I don't use my phone first thing in the morning. These are some of the things that have helped me focus on task at hand. One of the other things that I want to specify is, let's say I want to learn about AI agents and there is new technology popping up every day, and I have realized that I don't want to get on that hype train every time something new is released. So what I do instead now is, let's say I want to learn about AI agents, rather than reading article by article by article on that topic, instead I will try to find a really good course on AI agents. And once I do find that course, I'll rather do that course because that course is organized. So your brain doesn't have to think too much on what steps to take next. So this is one of the other things that I've been following that has helped me focus a lot more on actual learning rather than just grasping a little bit of information from here and then some from there. And that is pretty much it. This was a very quick video that I wanted to make on how to handle so much of information or content in the age of AI.